parents and my dear students, I, Mahesh Naik, a member of the sports department of Sanskriti group of schools. Today we are going to start a workout which is again a whole body workout. The first exercise for today is a side bend which works on our obliques. So I am going to keep shoulder distance between my legs, okay, and I am going to keep my one hand up and other hand on my waist. So I go to one side first, I go to my left side, I go down, I come up. My right hand goes on my waist. 2, 3, 4. Remember, when you are doing this, you do not push your waist up. Your knees are stable, and I try driving my hands to the sides, and see that I don't bend back nor I bend forward. It's only working on my side obliques. So I go 2, 3. You can do it as fast as possible so you can use the momentum. The next exercise what we are going to do is a knee drive. This is a very important activity when you start running. So our leg position has to be perfect. So this is called the knee drive. I try and hold my hands slightly above my waist and I am going to drive my knees up towards my hands. The higher it goes, the better it is. So I drive it and I see that when I'm landing on my toes. When I'm landing, I land on my toes. So this is a very good initial motion of running. The next exercise what we are going to do is called a flying bird. Yes, you know how the bird flies? Yes, this is the way the bird flies. But we are going to make it a little bit interesting. I lie down on my stomach. I take my hands to my sides. I lift my upper body slightly and then I make the movements of the bird. So I push my nose. The higher your upper body goes, the better it is. This works on your shoulder, deltoids and your back. The next exercise is called alternate toe touching. So it is also called as a windmill. Everybody knows a windmill. You have to stand with your legs distance slightly apart or more than your shoulder. I keep my hands to my sides parallel to the ground. My hand is in line with my shoulders. I bend down slightly and now I am going to start with my activity. I take my right hand to my left toe. Slowly I come back and go to the other side. Come back, go to the other side. Now I am going to do it faster. 4, 5 and 6 and slowly come back. Guys, what we are going to do is lying down leg raises. For this I need to lie down sideways. I'm lying down. Now this is the one variation where my whole body is in one line. My elbow, my shoulder, my hip, my knee and my ankle. Now I'm going to take support of my hand. I'm going to bend my leg which is below. So now my body is stable. It doesn't move back nor doesn't move in front. Now slowly I'm going to lift my leg up like this, up and slowly down. 2 and slowly down. 3 and slowly down. This works on your glutes and your sides legs, but you have to take it down very slowly is very important. So I go up and come down slowly. Same thing I'm going to do it on the other side where I lie down. My whole body in one line. I bend my leg which is below. I hold. I take support and slowly up, come down slowly. Up, come down slowly. When I'm driving it, see that I drive my heel up and then I come down slowly. So this was a workout, a whole body workout for today. The number of sets and repetitions are given in the program. Please follow it. Happy exercising. Stay home. Stay safe.